Well, running down the road and all this nice, beautiful March weather we're having here, I was having lots and lots and lots of problems with the old Ford truck. And it being rear-wheel drive, I reached a point to where I just didn't want to fix it. So I sold it. And I set out looking for an all-wheel drive SUV, and I wanted something that could pull at least 3,500 pounds. I come across, this is a GMC Safari. It's a body-on frame. It's got pretty much everything underneath. It's a four-wheel drive Chevy half-ton. But got a lot of miles on it, 243,000 miles on it, but this sucker runs like a dream. I mean, it just sits up here and floats down the road. We had to go a little over an hour away to go get it, but it's a 95. That's the old style dash, all-wheel drive. And with the sleet and crap weather we've had, I better back off. A speed trap through here and a half. But needs a muffler. I don't know if it fell off or he cut it off, but it's not there. The upper and lower control arm bushings and tie rods, I think he said, was the other parts, and he gave me all the parts. They went and bought all the parts to fix it, and then never fixed it. So I've got a shop that can take care of that in a jiffy. Not a Jiffy Lube, just a shop that can take care of it in a jiffy. Anyway, that is what I have done. So now I am going to take this van and put those parts on it and put some all-terrain tires under it, same factory size, 215, 75, 15. I'm not going to put a lift kit and none of that bull crap. I just want a very good all-wheel drive, all-purpose van, 5,000 pound tow rating capacity on it, so it would definitely pull a trailer just fine. Still got the Ford Fusion, of course. That's going to be a staple in my garage for quite a while, I hope. It's still under 60,000 miles. If anybody's curious what a Astro with the exhaust missing sounds like, it's pretty much just cats only. Really wish that juke had been out of the way. Since I'm first at the light here, we'll wind her up a little bit. About 3/4 throttle. And back in kicked out. Thing shifted to the right just a little bit. That just testified the four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive did work, because that back end kicked out to the right just a little bit, and then I felt that front end kick in and pull. Beautiful. That worked flawlessly.